Hello and welcome to this short video about the year-end finance return for 2020. Yes, it's that time of year again. Okay, I'm just going to, I'm Ros Epson, finance volunteer that's helping with the returns. And I thought I'd just quickly go through the return so you know what to expect. The return is going to be done again as a Google Sheet, and hopefully you will have been sent the link to that. We're doing it that way so that you don't need to send it in. It reconciles nationally automatically, and it means that we can all see the same documents. If you've got any queries, any questions, things that aren't working, we can have a chat about it, look at the same document together, and hopefully see if we can fix any problems. So the document is in the format of having several tabs. Let's just show these along the bottom. So the district return is what we're going to look at today, and that's the one that everyone needs to complete. Depending on what else is happening in your district finances, you may need to complete these other sections. To know which ones you need to do, if you go through this info page here, it's got a number of questions on it, and that should direct you to which other tabs you need to complete. Okay, so now I'm just going to look at this district return that everyone needs to do. It's made up of several sections. So this first section is income and expenditure. We made a few minor changes to some of the headings, and we realised last year that some things weren't as clear as they could have been. So hopefully we've clarified those, and that should make it a bit easier. We've also put notes online, they keep popping up, about what goes in which heading. So hopefully that should give you a steer of what goes where. So that's the first section, the income and expenditure section. It'll be pre-populated with the balance from last year, and it should, when you put those figures in, giving you a balance going forward. The next section is the balances. So again, pre-populated figures from last year, and you'll put in your balance, bank balance and petty cash balance at the year end. Hopefully when you've done that, the balance of what you've got bank and cash is the same as the balance you've got in your account records, and at which point this calculation here will agree. So let's just put some figures in to make sure, to prove it actually does happen. So we've got a bit of income, let's put a bit of expenditure. And update the bank balance at the year end. And when that does, yeah, lovely. Okay, it does balance. So that's what you're hoping to get to. And at that point, you're okay to submit your return. So that's those two sections. The next one is this one. There's a number of questions, and it's all to do with our with compliance issues for our charitable status. So much appreciated if you complete those. Then there's a little area for notes. That's really relating to, if you might want to put a note there if you've got expenditure in one year that's actually taken place in another, or so just to put those in there, that would be useful. It gives your details here, so if we've got any questions we can ask. And lastly, a section here where if you could list the groups that are covered by the return, that would be great. Okay, there's a note here, I think that's everything, about where you can find help. So there'll be information on the Treasurer's area on the website or email. And if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us there. We're very happy to help. All right, I think that is it. So thank you very much and good luck with the return.